Have you ever tried whole grain bread? It's far better for you.
You smell like you farted.
Of course not. I mean,
I you were talking.
I had to, guys. I had to. I just had to. Guys. I'm still sick. I'm still sick. And I'm kind of sick. And so basically,
have you ever tried whole
you retarded.
It's far better for you.
Got
You
to
smell like you farted.
Have you ever tried whole grain bread? It's far better for you.
You smell like you farted.
Of course not. I mean,
you were talking.
He's hoping for a mistrial, Your Honor. Myself, I like that slapping part. Shut up. Take it easy, Mr. Berman.
Bob, how you feeling?
I know that this case is somehow all connected to the other case. Mr. Brennan knows that too. He also knows that I'm going to keep looking into it as long as my...
How did your procedure go? Remember, you're supposed to be passing gas right now.
Yeah, it's easier said than done. Trying a couple good ones.
What are you doing down there?
Scratching.
Oh my goodness.
Where were we? I've been looking into the Oda case too, Your Honor. Not for any devious personal reasons, but because I...
get so much game chicken words saying.
And that's the real reason that Carla Myers was murdered. I contacted Mrs. DeLong, and she in turn contacted...
Oh, he had a three skin tone, chicken bone, leave me alone here. Coming back. He coming back. Super knuckle, Bill Buckle, banana truffle here. Five monkeys.
I hope that made me fun. I hope that. I hope we go somewhere with a truffle bag. I might.
Oh, he
I know what you want.
skin tone, chicken bone, leave me alone here. Coming back. He coming back. Super knuckle, Bill Buckle, banana truffle here.
Alright. That would be me in Messiah at school, bro. That would be me.
I smell pussy.
You smell like you farted.
Farted. Farted.
8 feet under broke, I F you retarded. You smell like you farted.
Farted. Farted.
8 feet under broke, I F you retarded. You smell like you farted. You smell like you farted.
Fuck you.
Farted.
Answer, bitch. No, fuck you.
You smell like you farted.
What did he say?
Hello.
Have you ever tried whole grain bread? It's far better for you.
You smell like you farted.
Of course not. I mean,
I F you retarded.
Hey, wildin' with it. I might even do a
You going to ICDC?
College. Oh.
I'm going to ITT.
Okay.
I got a PP.
All right.
I PP out of DD. You PP out your wee.
You gay.
But still gonna chop you up. Even though we standing up on the moving bus.
Ooh.
Us, Russ, Dust. Can't mess up cause coach gon' fuss. Opposite of weak, I'm real tough. You the opposite of real, you bluff.
Bluff.
Fake.
Fake.
Eight. You ain't nothing but a leaf, him my rape.
Right? Oh, shit.
I'ma do my thing regardless.
Regardless. Look at him. Look at him. Look at, don't look at me. Look at him when you freestyling.
You smell like you farted.
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 8 feet under rope, I F you retarded. You smell like you farted.
Freestyling.
You smell like you farted. Under rope, I F you retarded.
Freestyling.
You smell like you farted. Under rope, I F you retarded.
Freestyling.
You smell like you farted. Under rope, I F you retarded.
Freestyling.
You smell like you farted. Under rope, I F you retarded.
Freestyling.
You smell like you farted. Under rope, I F you retarded.
Freestyling.
You smell like you farted. Under rope, I F you retarded.
Freestyling.
You smell like you farted. Under rope, I F you retarded.
Freestyling.
You smell like you farted. Under rope, I F you retarded.
Freestyling.
You smell like you farted. Under rope, I F you retarded.
Freestyling.
You smell like you farted. Under rope, I F you retarded.
I want to see these videos.
Freestyling.
You smell like you farted. Under rope, I F you retarded.
Alright, I'm sorry. I'm stop.
You smell like you
I'm gonna
farted.
stop with the middle finger in the videos. I'm gonna stop.
Under rope, I F you retarded.
Freestyling.
You smell like you farted. Under rope, I F you retarded.
Wow. They are wildin'.
Freestyling.
You smell like you farted. Under rope, I F you retarded.
Freestyling.
You smell like you farted. Under rope, I F you retarded.
Freestyling.
You smell like you farted. Under rope, I F you retarded.
Freestyling.
You smell like you farted. Under rope, I F you retarded.
Freestyling.
You smell like you farted. Under rope, I F you retarded.
Freestyling.
You smell like you farted. Under rope, I F you retarded.
Freestyling.
New for 2023. More
Oh, he had a dude. Skin tone, chicken bone, leave me alone here. Coming back. He coming back. Super knuckle, bell buckle, banana truffle hitter. Bad monkeys.
find the one that works best for
They
you.
probably old or they probably like
Plans too.
in their 40s, bro.
Any doctor who accepts Medicare without a referral and pay in-network costs
There it is.
at home or traveling.
You going to ITDC?
College. Oh.
I'm going to ITT.
Okay.
I got a PP.
All right.
A PP out of DD. You PP out your wife.
You gay.
Still gonna chop you up. Even though we standing up on the moving bus.
Ooh.
Us, Rustus, can't mess up cause coach gon' fuss. Opposite of weak, I'm real tough. The opposite of real, you bluff.
Bluff.
Fake.
Fake.
8. You ain't nothing but a leaf, him my rape.
Right? Oh, shit.
I'ma do my thing regardless.
Regardless. Look at him. Look at him. Look at, don't look at me. Look at him when you freestyling.
You smell like you farted.
Farted. Farted.
8 feet under rope, I F you retarded.
Guys,
2 months. Find your passion.
I saw what that mean.
When I find it, it's gonna feel like a lightning bolt.
I had to look it up for a whole hour.
There's nothing wrong with getting lost in your way. That's how you stumble upon the best things.
This is even better than I imagined. Autumn in the city.
Oh, dude, laro.
I have a surprise. Meet me out.
What the?
Just what I feel come out your head?
Countdown to Christmas. The movies start Friday, October 21st, only on Hallmark.
Shadow, relax, relax, Shadow. Shadow, relax. Shadow, stop.
Oh my god, can I pet your dog? Oh my gosh.
I think he's fine. Oh, her head's so small. I could just. Mac and cheese right here better than your mama's right here. Look at that. Oh my Jesus. I just nutted on myself. Oh my god. I'm gonna lose this sweet butt cheek groove I've been working into this couch. It looks just like me.
It's 7 in the morning.
Yeah, you got your food. I know you're hungry. I know you're starved. Here's your drink.
You started this at 10, and it's just past 12 for a cooking tutorial.
Guys, I'm pretty sure I ordered the wrong shiesty mask. And I now have a domination king.
I do not look like the president from Monsters vs. Aliens, okay? That does not look like me. Knock it off.
Guys, it's 3:50 in the morning. We're about to make some spaghetti. We gotta be really quiet. Logan, pass me the bowl.
Check this out. Nothing much. It's just right over here. Oh, you good, bro? Hey! Come on, man. That's too easy. Oh.
Ready? And cheese.
I'm done.